scene, the shot for the base. I used to save for the mask, not a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die, but no money, I engage you.
Is you ready to play? That's it? Locked in? That's it? Let's have fun today. Fun day Sunday.
Big game today, man. Playing to defend the champs, man.
Boys, man, let's rock out, yo. They playmakers make plays, man.
Let's focus today.
Focus on the details. Do every little thing right. Depend on each other. Trust your preparation.
It's time!
Nothing left to be said. We know what we gotta do. Win on three. 1, 2, 3. Win. Come on.
Turn up.
Come on.
All day.
All day.
Non-stop.
Non-stop. All day. Let's go now. Hey, let's go now. Go get in the fight together. Let's go. Let's go.
A beautiful day in Kansas City. 80 degrees here at Arrowhead.
Oh, man, to be you today.
13 straight wins for the Chiefs, including the postseason. We're underway from KC. 3rd and 10. Carr, step, deep ball, upstairs. Oh, it's Henry Ruggs. Takes the ladder for the reception, and the Raiders are in business. 38 yards away. Carlson puts the Raiders on the board.
Great start.
Fake the trickery. Can Mahomes get the angle? Yes, he can! Flip the other way. Tyreek Hill. Hill busting through for the touchdown. He's at a different level.
Got a reroute. Safeties, you guys got to own it. Talk to your corners.
So let's see how the Raiders handle this after the turnover that turned into points. Ruggs in motion. Carr on 2nd and 6. Downfield. Connection made with Aguilar. Touchdown, Raiders. Big play, Nelson Aguilar. And Carr with the perfect toss. 59 yards.
That's the way to strike. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Good job.
That might be their last cut of the day.
Assist. Yeah. That was big assist.
You can't keep doing that, man.
8-yard gain. Mahomes to throw it. Mahomes hits his man at midfield. 2nd and 5. Hooks a pass. Over the shoulder grab. Tyreek Hill is a highlight maker. Mahomes out of the pocket. Mahomes tosses. Touchdown. A BB to Watkins.
Harrison Butker makes it 21-10 with 9 minutes remaining here in the first half.
Hey, they can't stop us. They can't stop us now. We got to keep going. Hey, only thing that stopped us was us. Let's go now, all right?
Booker is running with authority. Breaks tackles. Devontae Booker busting into the outside. Connects with the fullback. 1st and goal for the Raiders. Send Ruggs in motion. Fake it. Carr whips it. End zone. Touchdown. A hot pass handled by Darren Waller.
Let's go.
And the Raiders offense is alive and well.
Let's go. We're playing football all day now.
Want to take the lead on these guys? You guys want to take the lead here?
Yeah. Here we go. Sales is up.
Carr airs it out. Separation. Hauled in. Henry Ruggs. The speed. Touchdown. Carr with another bomb. And the Raiders go in front. 72 yards. Ruggs is a blur.
Stop playing with big ball. I'm talking about Hey, roll tide, baby.
That man's moving.
Oh, baby, go get some. First one. First and many, kid. First and many. Good job. Hey.
Yes, sir. Welcome to the party, young man.
Hey, what I tell you, son? I'm my mama. Come on. Hey, let's go. Let's play with you now. Let's go. Let's just keep playing. That's how you win big games, man. You just find a way. Something happens.
So it's two tight ends. It's Ingold, the fullback. Carr will throw it. He hits Ingold. Second effort. I think he got there. Rush coming. Carr. Wide open Waller. Darren Waller's got a first down. The nose of the football is just short. Fourth down, inches. Carr will do it himself.
We got it!
We can get a first here, so let's make sure we get ready to make.
Line of scrimmage is the 7. Jacobs up the gut. He wins the battle. Touchdown Raiders. 13 plays, 71 yards, 8 minutes and 1 second, bridging the third and fourth quarters. And Las Vegas leads at 30-24. Mahomes steps up, and Mahomes cannot break free. Cleveland Farrell, third down and 9. Mahomes sidesteps. Mahomes doesn't see it, and he gets crushed by Max Crosby.
Get the ball, man! You gotta get the ball!
That deal was him. Hey,
I'm gonna get it.
one thing at a time now. I'm about to come get it, guys. I'm looking. I said, oh my gosh, Max, get the ball. Get the ball.
Trust me.
Get the ball.
Bro, trust me, my eyes lit up. I swiped on his arm, but he had the ball low. And
Carr steps away. Downfield. Catch is made. Hunter Renfrow. Big play for Las Vegas. They converted on third down. Carr cracks 300, and they're in Kansas City territory at the 36.
Snap is good, hold is faster. He's good. He's got this one. And that puts him up by 2 scores in this game. By 9 points. 33-24. Hats off to the Raiders defense. After giving up 3 consecutive touchdown drives, they've given up only 3 points in the Chiefs' last 5 possessions. They have forced 4 punts, my man.
And they have done a great job on the perimeter, but now the big test comes because of all these weapons.
Keep it up, man. Get every place better than the one before. Safety's gotta own the communication.
Now a fourth down and 7 for Kansas City in a 9-point game with 5:44 to play. Can the Chiefs convert? Mahomes drifting downfield, intercepted. His first of the season. Jeff Heath comes away with it, and Heath could go. Tripped up by Mahomes inside the 5.
I need you guys right now. All right, finish it now. Let's go.
Hey, that's why they came to see you. Tell you take us home.
First down and goal.
Now they're trying to deliver a knockout punch with a jumbo formation. Carr and a handoff, going up top.
Jackpot, baby! Over the top! Vegas salted it away! And Arrowhead, what a performance by the Raiders! Who would have thought? Open the week, almost a 2-touchdown underdog. Jackpot, baby! Raiders beat the Chiefs 40-32.